Hello. Today Grammy's making some funeral potatoes to go with some pork that I'm cooking already. So I'm putting 4 tablespoons of butter in a microwave-safe dish. I'm going to microwave it for approximately, I'm going to get this back on. Right now Grammy's on the road. And my microwave thingy is off kilter. There we go. All right. Let's go with some Campbell's cream of chicken. I'm just going to plop it right in there. We're going to go with most of this sour cream, about a cup. And then, so I don't have to worry about how much seasoning to put in. I'm just going to put in 1 packet of Lipton's onion soup mix. Most funeral potatoes have chopped onion in them. We're going to do it just a little different. Also going to put in 2 big handfuls of cheese, which is technically kind of go for about 2 cups of shredded cheese. You can probably get about a nice cup if just by holding it in your hand, depending on how big you are. So we're going to kind of get this all mixed around. You want everything well mixed before you put in your potatoes, because potatoes are going to be a little different to get all this yumminess around. So we want to make sure that everything is nicely mixed. Now another thing I'm going to add, because if there's not enough onion flavor, and our family would like it a little oniony, I'm going to put a little bit of the French fried onions in it for a little bit of crunchy yumminess. I'm also going to put some on top. So I'm just going to put a little bit in there. Good. We're going to stir it again. Just make sure those are all through the mixture. And it should look clumpy like this. This is ideal. Now I'm going to take, this has been in my refrigerator overnight to get it nice and soft. Because you don't want to use frozen, because frozen will take too long. We are doing this quickly because we're camping with our cousins, and it's my turn to make the meal. So I'm just going to dump this bag in. Dump a little bit on the floor. This is 26 ounces. It's about right. Now we're going to mix it. We're going to do the best we can to get it all nice and mixed. My method is a turn and turn. Get it in, turn your spoon. Get it in, turn your spoon. Then I'm just going to mix it in there. Get everything nice and mixed. There's just really not a lot of guesswork on this. It is a simple thing to do, not challenging. It's basically a pantry meal with a little help from your freezer. And this is not a meal, I should say, although some people eat it like a meal because it's so delicious. And it just makes a nice side for your family if you have a lot of people coming over. Now, I'm not happy with my cheese level. I'm going to make mine extra cheesy, so I'm just going to throw in another handful. And I probably will put some on top too, because nothing better than cheesy, potatoey yumminess. And I am going to have a vegetable. I'm going to just do a quick saute of some fresh green beans I saw at the store, and I just love fresh green beans. All right, so once I have this kind of nice and incorporated, I'm putting it in the microwave for 5 minutes. We're putting it on for 5 minutes. And then we're going to stir. All right, taking it out of the microwave. We're going to give it a stir. I can see I got good cheese going through there, which I'm very pleased. It's starting to smell yumminess. I'm going to smash it all down level. Nice and level. I'm going to put a little bit more cheese on there, just on top. I do not like macaroni and cheese at all, but this is my cheesy side dish, which I do love, which is a good replacement for macaroni and cheese if you don't like it either. All right, so we're gonna go 5 minutes again. And see what.
Heavenly or funeral potatoes. Here we go. Way better than mac and cheese. Very good, Grammy. Very, very good.